I'm Breegan Jane and I'm a designer. I am here today at Renewal by Andersen in Minnesota, far from my home in Los Angeles, but I'm here to see my windows get made. So come follow me inside, warm up. We got people to meet.
Breegan.
So nice to meet you.
Great to meet you.
Are you ready to help me build my dream home?
We couldn't be more excited to have you here. What made you pick Renewal for your windows?
I mean, the quality and the durability. This is where I'm gonna be for a really long time, and you guys deliver on that every time. But also I have so many decisions to be made, and you guys just make it so easy.
We do it all. We do the selling, we do the manufacturing, and we cover the install. We try to take everything we can out of the homeowner's hands and make it as easy as possible.
Well, this place is impressive, and I'm sure there's a lot behind making it look easy, and I'm excited to see what that is.
Well, we'll take a look. I'm the tour guide for you today, so we'll do some trivia and we'll get some gear on. Are you ready?
Okay, gear? Yeah. I get gear?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Do I look official?
You look official.
Are you gonna hire me?
Yeah, full time.
Ready?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We are officially in the Renewal Value Add Center. We call it the RVAC.
Okay.
This is where the whole process begins. It's where all of the parts and pieces that go into the window come into the building.
How do you keep this all in order?
It's quite the maze, but there's a method to the madness. But this actually brings me to my first trivia question.
Oh no, trivia starts now?
Trivia starts now. True or false, are Renewal by Andersen windows custom made?
These that I'm looking at, there's no way. These are way too organized. These have to be factory sized.
They are actually custom.
No way.
All of our windows are measured and installed to a 1/16 inch increment to make sure that it meets the homeowner's expectation and our expectation for quality once it's installed. I'll show you a little bit more. Let's take a closer look. All right, Breegan, I'll hand you one of these.
And what is one of these?
This is a window component.
Okay.
Somebody else's window that's coming down the line.
Okay, like top, sides?
All of them.
All of
This
them?
gets built into all 4 pieces.
All right.
Do you think that this is aluminum, wood, or Fibrex material?
I'm just a designer, you know. I'm gonna guess this is wood with some aluminum.
It's actually Andersen's proprietary Fibrex material.
Really?
Which is Andersen's proprietary polymer and wood fiber composite part.
I knew that.
We actually include this in all of our windows here at Renewal by Andersen, and it's earned us over 30 patents.
30 patents you have on this material? That's amazing. Is this part of the long-lasting durability?
These are actually 2 times stronger than vinyl, and they never rot, crack, fade, or peel.
Sounds perfect for my forever home. Is there anything you guys do that isn't impressive?
Nope. And speaking of more impressive things, let's check out the supermarket. That's where we're gonna go next.
Supermarkets? I thought I knew supermarkets. Okay, the supermarkets I'm used to usually have food.
Yeah, this isn't as exciting as that, but this is the Renewal by Andersen supermarket. It is a lot like your grocery store.
I mean, I can see that there are probably pieces here to make up for an entire recipe of a window.
There are.
And this is?
This is a black lock that's gonna go in a window just like yours.
I knew that.
So we have so many parts and pieces here, but how many pieces do you think go into a Renewal by Andersen window? 20, 50, or 100?
Based on what I see here in the supermarket, there has to be 100 pieces.
You got it.
100?
You got it, yeah.
Okay.
And speaking of your windows, do you want to go watch them get made?
That's exactly what I want to do.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so here we are at the glider line.
These look like windows.
Heck yeah.
These I know.
So why did you pick gliding windows?
Well, I definitely, near the beach, thought about airflow. Like, I like to be connected to nature, get that perfect breeze. It's California.
The other thing that's pretty special is you picked black, which is a super popular color. Why'd you pick black?
I love the way black looks on the exterior, but I also like that it's a picture frame from the inside. Like, the black sort of frames it in so that the ocean can become art.
For sure.
Why not?
Black's just one of our options. We have a lot of different color combinations. How many do you think we have in total?
Colors, okay. I'm gonna guess 27.
Ooh, it's actually more than that.
More?
We have 49 different color combinations.
49 color combos. This is why I love you guys.
Let's go take a look at more windows.
I want to see. Is this one of mine too?
These are yours.
No way.
Yeah.
Look at the size of these. How many people will have touched my windows by the time they get to me?
From start to finish, about 55. We actually have 30 people here just on this station.
In this station, there's 30.
We have an operator here that's looking at every window, taking a look at all of the quality expectations we have, and doing the final documentation to make sure it meets your expectations.
Thank you very much. It's amazing to see the quality, the craftsmanship, but also the teamwork that goes into a product that's gonna last me, hopefully, my lifetime. How long have a lot of these people been here?
Several of them 20 years plus. This facility opened in the late 90s and we still have a bunch of original factory workers. We've got experience that you can't put a number on, looking out for items that will help protect your window.
All right, Breegan, you want to do something fun?
Yes, I do.
Let's have you put the label on your own box.
I think that's the right safe job for me. All right, make it safely home.
So after this, it goes to the LA location and they'll coordinate an install date with you.
Okay, bye-bye window. See you soon.
All right, Breegan, this is the end of our tour today.
I thought I knew. I had no idea what went into windows.
It was an absolute pleasure to show you around today, and I welcome you back anytime.
Thank you. So hold these for me for next visit, but I'll be back. Until then, I'm gonna meet my windows on the other side, right?
Have a great day.
Thank you.
See ya.
Wow, I was excited to come see my windows get made, but today I was beyond impressed. Thank you, Travis and Renewal by Andersen, for the amazing tour. You guys are making my life so much easier. And for those of you that want to find out more about my project, go to getinspiredwithbreegan.com.